Okay, what is next? Next, we have this area, the L shape of 12 and 12. Okay, what is the representation of this L in the top view? Okay, we have this L. Okay, so we have it here, which is 56 millimeters, and also we have contour. This is contour number 1, which is L. Contour number 2, which is this square, and it has circle, and this circle has a hole. So what is the extrude of this square? Is the same of this hole, which is 32. So let's do it together. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the front. Okay, to the front, normal 2, sketch, activate sketch. Before that I have to hide this plane, the plane number 2. Look, everything is okay. So for the front, draw the L. So we have this L, go left, go down, go right, go down, and you have to close this to be contour. Small dimension, this is 12. Also, this is also 12. And we have this length is 44. And this length is also 44. We have a fillet here of 5 millimeters radius. 5 millimeters, then check. Okay, we have the contour number 2 from the same area. Click here and go down vertical. Okay, then go right. You have to go right to close it. And we have a circle inside. This circle has a dimension of 11 millimeters. And we have to identify the coordinate of this circle. So for the y-axis, it has 16 millimeters, and for the x-axis, we have 10 millimeters. Okay. Now you can see that we have two contours, contour number 1 and contour number 2. Now feature, extrude. Always we have, because this is symmetric, so our extrude will be mid-plane. So for the L, we have three choices. We have 100 millimeters, okay, which is the base. We did it, and we have 56 or 32. If you make 32 instead of 56, you will see in the top that your question is not right. Okay, so you can guess. Okay, but after you guess, you have to look to the top. If it's not true, you have to make it to make an edit for the feature. Okay, but we know that this L has an extrude of 56. Okay, if you go take this area and you go down, you will find that this is the line of this extrude. So it's 56. So this is 56 for the L, and the other one will be 32. The other one will be 32. The other one will be mid-plane, 32. Okay. Okay. If you did the opposite thing, edit feature, for example, this is 32, and this is 56. Edit feature. And you look from the top, you will find that this is not the dash line. This is the solid line. So our question is not true. Is not true. So this is 56, the L shape 56. The other one is 32. Okay. If you make a dash line, you can see that this is the dash line and this is the dash line. Okay, you have this hole, you have this hole, you have this dash line, and this. This is how you can check if you are not sure. Okay, after you make it dash line, you make your model dash line. Okay, now we have a cylinder. Let's do the cylinder. Okay, we have the cylinder. We have this cylinder, and this cylinder is not on the base, it's in this area. Okay, so we are going, what is the distance between this line and this line? It's 44 plus 21 plus 21, you will get here. So 41, 21 and 21, 21 and 21, 42 plus 44. Okay, so we have a circle. Okay, and the circle will do it here. So I'm gonna choose this surface, normal 2, and then I have to draw a circle. Okay, this circle has a diameter of 44. So this circle has a diameter of 44. And keep tangent to this edge, and this circle, tangent. And to make it fully defined, I have to tell him that this point and the origin point horizontal. Okay, so look what where I draw this circle. It's on this line. Now I'm gonna make feature extrude. What is the extrude of this circle? It's 60, and I have to push it up to 44 plus 41. How can I do that? Go to from, then offset. Okay, here I'm gonna click 44 plus 21 plus 21, which is 86. Okay, this is how we push it up, by choosing offset here. Okay, then click on check. Okay, now we have a hole on this cylinder from here. Before that we have a fillet, so I'm gonna choose this circle, then fillet of 2 millimeters. Fillet of 2 millimeters, then check. Okay, he made this fillet. Now we go to this surface, then make a circle or draw a circle, and this circle, this is the center of this circle. The phi will be 22. And the extrude cut, is it through all? No, it's just from here to here. If it's through all, you will find a dash line here and parallel dash line here, which means that the extrude cut will be through all, but it's not through all, it's just for this cylinder. Okay, so feature extrude cut, and keep this yellow circle just down a little bit, then check. Okay, now we from the front, I'm gonna make this hole. So from the front, I choose front, sketch, activate sketch. I'm gonna draw a center line, make it dash. so I can see the hole. Okay, so this is center, and the dimension between the center and the edge is 25. This center to this center is 25. Okay, make a rectangle. Make a rectangle from this area to this area, and the width of this rectangle is 12 divided by 2, which is 6. We have no problem to get this line and this line under defined or not fully defined, because it will cut in the air here and it will cut in the air here. Okay, so feature, make a revolve cut around this center line. You will make an extrude a revolve cut 360 degree, then check. You can see. Okay, so this is how we can do this. Okay, in the next video we'll see how to make this C shape and how to make the rib. Thank you, bro.